Trump rules out. Another debate against Harris as her campaign announces $47 million haul. Donald Trump has decisively ruled out participating in a third presidential debate with Kamala Harris, following their recent encounter on Tuesday. Trump, the Republican nominee, announced on Truth Social that there will be no third debate. He compared the situation to a prize fighter who loses and then calls for a rematch, suggesting that Harris, having lost the debate, would be the one pushing for another round. Despite previous uncertainty, Trump's firm rejection means that their Tuesday debate could be the only face-off before the November election, with more than 67 million viewers having tuned in. In contrast, Harris, the Democratic nominee, expressed a desire to debate again, stating during a rally in North Carolina that she believes both candidates owe it to voters to have another debate. Meanwhile, Harris's campaign announced an impressive $47 million fundraising haul within 24 hours of the debate. Apple unveils iPhone 16 amid key concerns and fierce competition. Apple's Glow Time event on Monday brought exciting news with the launch of the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro models. The new devices, which feature advanced AI capabilities, are expected to make a significant impact in the tech market. However, several notable concerns have emerged. Despite the new AI advancements, Apple did not provide details on the global rollout of these features, leaving questions about their availability and integration. This uncertainty could affect the phone's appeal, especially if the AI capabilities are not uniformly accessible across all regions. The high price points of the iPhone 16 models could also limit their market reach. At nearly $1,000 and above, these prices may deter potential buyers, particularly in price-sensitive segments. Apple's competitive landscape is further complicated by the recent launch of Samsung's E124 Ultra, Huawei's Mate X-T, a trifold smartphone that has already amassed over 2 million pre-orders. This aggressive competition highlights the challenges Apple faces as it seeks to maintain its market position. Critics are noting that the iPhone 16 offers incremental upgrades rather than revolutionary changes, which might not provide enough incentive for current iPhone users to make the switch. Additionally, concerns about battery life and performance, as well as a lack of significant design innovation, could impact the overall reception of the new models. Set for pre-order on September 20th, the iPhone 16 Pro will start at $999, while the Pro Max model is priced at $1,199. Sony unveils PlayStation 5 Pro with major upgrades. Sony surprised console gamers worldwide with the unveiling of the PlayStation 5 Pro during a recent live technical presentation on PlayStation's YouTube channel. The new console, set to launch on November 7, 2024, features significant performance enhancements including 28% faster RAM, a larger GPU, advanced ray tracing, and AI-driven upscaling. The PS5 Pro promises impressive graphics and higher frame rates, highlighted by the introduction of Game Boost technology that enhances over 8,500 backward-compatible PS4 games for smoother performance and better image quality. Taylor Swift endorses Kamala Harris, raises alarm over AI misinformation. Pop star Taylor Swift has endorsed Vice President Kamala Harris for president and expressed deep concerns about AI-generated misinformation. On Instagram, Swift highlighted her alarm over AI-created content that falsely depicted her endorsing former President Donald Trump, emphasizing the serious risks of such misinformation. This incident has intensified discussions about the need for stricter AI regulations. In response to these concerns, Tennessee has introduced the Ensuring Likeness Image and Voice Security Elvis Act to safeguard artists from AI impersonation and deepfakes. At the federal level, the Biden administration has issued an executive order addressing AI-related challenges, including the establishment of the AI Safety Institute to oversee model evaluations. Apple AirPods Pro 2, approved by FDA to function as hearing aids. At its recent Glow Time event, Apple announced a groundbreaking new feature for the AirPods Pro 2, the ability to function as hearing aids. This addition includes hearing protection and a hearing test feature, all of which will be available through a software update at no extra cost. 3 days after the announcement, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has officially approved this feature, marking it as the first over-the-counter, OTC hearing aid software device. This approval is a significant milestone for Apple in the OTC hearing aid industry. The FDA's acting director for the Center for Devices and Radiological Health emphasized that this authorization represents a significant advancement in making hearing support more accessible and acceptable for adults with mild to moderate hearing loss. This step not only broadens the scope of hearing aid availability, but also integrates this critical function into a widely used consumer product. OpenAI unveils new AI model, codenamed Strawberry, capable of step-by-step problem solving. OpenAI has unveiled a major advancement in artificial intelligence with the introduction of a new model, codenamed Strawberry, officially named OpenAI O1. This model represents a departure from the traditional approach of increasing model size, as seen with GPT-4, and focuses instead on complex, step-by-step reasoning. OpenAI O1 is designed to handle intricate problems through logical reasoning, demonstrating capabilities that surpass its predecessor, GPT-4.0, particularly in solving advanced chemistry and mathematical problems. However, it is slower than GPT-4.0 and lacks features such as web searching and multimodal processing. This new approach aligns with ongoing research trends aimed at enhancing AI problem-solving skills. Competitors like Google's AlphaProof are also exploring similar advancements. As OpenAI works on its next model, GPT-5, which will integrate both scaling and reasoning improvements, the field anticipates further breakthroughs in AI technology. Google TV reaches 150 free channels as it prepares to launch. New streamer Google TV has reached a significant milestone by expanding its offering to 150 free, ad-supported channels in the U.S. This growth includes the addition of 14 new channels, such as Billiard TV, Buzzer, and Zumo Free Nature and Wildlife TV, bringing greater diversity to its programming lineup. This expansion precedes the launch of the Google TV Streamer Box on September 24th, which will feature these channels under a new Google TV Free Play heading. Priced at $99 in the US, £99 in the UK, and 159 Australian dollars in Australia, the new box aims to enhance user experience with more content choices. The added channels follow the introduction of 10 new ones in August, which included CBC News, FilmRise Horror, and Rig TV. While this expanded lineup is currently available to U.S. users through the Live tab on smart TVs or Chromecast with Google TV, there is no information yet on when these channels will be accessible in the Live tab outside the U.S. Google TV's growing channel lineup highlights its commitment to providing more free content options and enhancing its competitive edge in the streaming market.